Hello, right, today we are fitting a tan fluted cubby. The first thing you have to do is make sure that all the bolt holes are going to fit. Right. So you line that up and make sure that you can get the bolts in all of the holes. If not, you are going to have to drill the cubbies a little bit more. But fortunately on this one I've already test fitted it and it fits just fine. So I start with the back ones. They're normally quite easy to go in. It's easier to get them all loosely in first before you do any of them up, just to make sure it all fits. Because I haven't got an extra extension, I'm just going to have to use a hand tool to get these last ones in at the back. And then just before I do them up completely tight, I go around to the back and just double check that the cubby's sitting straight before I put them in completely. So just have a little look. Perfect. Make sure you don't do the bolts up so tight they go right the way through the cubby. Right, and then the carpet goes in. This one's got a hole in it because it's got an extra switch in there, but normally there'd be nothing else. You can just slide that in. Make sure it's sitting properly so you don't see any gaps around the sides. And then we put the cup holder in. Normally I push in from the front and then just sort of slide the back down. And then you've got two screws that just go in the middle of the cup holders. There we go, all done.